and we are here with a new video. So today I am coming to you with another Bigbabysmagic special, and I created my sister's birthday cake. She requested a vintage heart cake. She wanted like gold, white, so yellows and stuff. So I did a yellow cake, and it came out so beautiful. My piping skills are getting better and better each time I create and decorate a cake. And for this cake in particular, it's actually very bittersweet because I'm actually recreating the birthday cake flavors, the cake and the cake flavors that I had made for my father's birthday cake when he was turning 85, his last official earthly birthday cake, which was a lemon cake with a raspberry cream filling. But the difference between that cake and the cake that I made for my sister was I wanted to switch it up a little bit. So instead of the regular raspberry cream that I did the first time, I actually did a strawberry cream cheese with the fresh raspberries in the filling. And it was still lemon cake, but I changed the filling just to see how it'll taste, the combination and everything. And it was good. It was really good. But without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can stay updated in regards to any desserts and cakes that I may decorate in the upcoming future, as well as just keeping up with my life, because I may start changing or add different content. It won't always be baking content like it has been as of lately that I've been posting, but I may switch it up a little bit. So if you want to keep up with that, definitely subscribe to my channel, as well as go follow my business page at Bigbabysmagic, where you'll get the details of all the things related to my business in regards to baking, decorating, all the cakes, cupcakes, things of that sort, as well as catering and bartending services. So you may get some videos of different cocktails over there, or even some recipes or dishes that I've been making lately. So definitely go to my page and check that out as well. And without further ado, we're gonna jump into this video. Okay, so right now I am lining the outer part of the first layer of the cake with buttercream, so that when I get ready to put in the filling, it's not spilling out the sides. And I've learned this trick from previous experiences where I'm using a more looser filling, and this is the strawberry cream cheese with the raspberry. And as you can see, I'm trying to seal it up in there. I don't want it to come out because I know that I want to make sure that the actual crumb coat and the final layer of buttercream, that's gonna help make the cake look really pretty. Of course, there's no filling busting out the sides. Now I am adding the final layer of buttercream. This is a yellow buttercream. I actually used the shade Gold from Hobby Lobby, their gel food coloring, and I only used 3 drops, but I slowly put in the drops. I want to say I started with 1, the color was very faint. I did the second one. I'm like, okay, this looks good. So I went with the third one, and this is the color that I came out with. And I love this shade. This shade came out so beautiful. I love this as a base shade. And then, of course, as I went in to decorate, as you'll see further, I wanted to add more color. I wanted to add more dimension. And I wanted to switch it up. So as you can see, I used another scraper that had a more detailed edge to it because I wanted to switch it up. I know you can kind of see the cake a little bit, and you can see the white layer beneath. And I know that's something that as I'm practicing and I'm using different tools, that I will get a lot better with that technique. And here we go with the ribbon. I'm upset that I got started and I forgot to press record, so that whole top part was already done. But as you can see, it's looking good. And now here we get started with the top border. And as you can see, you see that buttercream is actually staying stiff. It's doing what it's supposed to do. It's not all over the place. If I had showed you guys like my whole process when it came to making my buttercream for my cakes and cupcakes, I've really came a very long way, because I'm telling you right now, this cake would not be looking like this based on the first like 5 times that I've made buttercream. And this the part right here where I used another yellow shade. It's called Copper, also from Hobby Lobby, and the bloops on top, I didn't like that. I was like, that needs to get scraped. So I just worked on the bottom, and then I'm gonna go back in on top and scrape all those off, because I did not like how that looked. I didn't like it at all. So now to make this cake extra special, since it's for my sister and she's turning 27, she didn't know I was adding this particular detail, but I wanted to write 27 using my pearl sprinkles on the top, which this process, unedited alone, was like 15 minutes. But of course, you know I'm not gonna put the full 15 minutes for this part, but it took me a while, and I did use a toothpick to try to map out where I want the 27. But now that I'm looking at it while editing, it's not centered, which it does bother me, but it's okay. Practice makes perfect. And then I realized I had these butterflies from the previous project that I never used, and it goes perfect with this cake and what she's looking for. I also added pearls between the rosettes, and this is how it looks before I added the bows. I actually almost forgot about the bows, but it looks really pretty. And this is the cake with the bows on it. What do you guys think? I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm looking forward to seeing you again soon. Bye. Turn it so you can see it.
Oh my god! Oh try not to cry. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And it got the 27 pearls and everything that I wanted. It's so pretty. I love it. You did amazing. Aww. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You'll get it.